Sheep farming is one of the oldest agricultural practices, and it continues to play a vital role in global agriculture today. Did you know that sheep farming is currently the third largest agricultural industry in the world, right behind cattle and poultry farming? From providing meat, milk, and wool to being deeply embedded in the cultures and economies of many regions, sheep farming has a massive impact on the food, fashion, and beyond. Welcome to FarmTech Innovations, where we explore the fascinating world of agriculture and the machinery that drives industries forward. In this video, we'll explore the different ways sheep are utilized across industries, the farming process behind their care, and how technology, particularly food industry machines, is making sheep farming more efficient and sustainable. Let's dive in. Sheep farming is an essential part of global agriculture. It provides not only food, but also other valuable resources such as wool, which has a significant impact on industries worldwide. From the rolling hills of New Zealand to the arid deserts of the Middle East, sheep farming plays a major role in local economies and international trade. The products of sheep farming are diverse and serve many industries. Sheep wool, milk, and meat are highly sought after globally, making this a valuable industry for many cultures and markets. Sheep are typically raised for 6 to 12 months before being processed into tender, flavorful meat. The meat is rich in protein and healthy fats like omega-3s. It's a key ingredient in many cuisines, especially in Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa. After shearing, wool is processed into yarn and used in products such as clothing, carpets, and even insulation materials. Shearing occurs once or twice a year, depending on the breed. Sheep milk is higher in fat and protein than cow's milk. It is primarily used for making cheeses that are internationally recognized for their distinct flavors and high quality. Sheep require well-ventilated barns and secure environments to ensure they stay healthy. Proper insulation and drainage are essential for maintaining their comfort and minimizing the risk of disease. Each sheep needs sufficient space to roam, about 15 to 20 square meters per sheep. A well-balanced diet is key for healthy sheep. They primarily feed on grass, hay, and grains. Large farms often supplement their sheep's diet with high-protein forage like alfalfa to support growth and improve meat, wool, and milk quality. Clean water is essential for sheep. They require between 5 and 10 liters of water daily, and this intake increases in hot weather or when they eat dry food like hay. Farmers must ensure a continuous supply of fresh, clean water to maintain sheep health. Recent technological advancements in food industry machines have revolutionized sheep farming. Automated feeding systems ensure that sheep get the right amount of nutrition without the need for constant manual labor. Similarly, automated milking machines have made dairy farming more efficient, allowing farmers to milk more sheep in less time. In the wool industry, machines have improved the shearing, cleaning, and spinning processes, resulting in higher quality wool products. Additionally, food industry machines have helped improve the processing and packaging of sheep-derived products, increasing overall production efficiency. Is much more than an agricultural practice. It is a global industry that provides vital products to millions of people around the world. From meat and wool to milk and cheese, sheep contribute to many sectors, including food, fashion, and culture. Thanks to technological advancements, the future of sheep farming is becoming more efficient and sustainable. With continued innovation, this industry is poised for long-term success.